spiritual weapon.
Yeah, that's like these pins I got on my. For the metal stuff.
That'll work. You look evil with that thing on. You look like a cyborg.
There you go, Darth Vader.
For Star Trek.
Oh shit!
up the cliff.
Oh, it's a pee-pee brake. All right. We're pushing on the mercury after he goes pee-pee.
I got it.
Oh, good job.
There's the bathroom over there.
Yes, but he's got to go pee-pee. And where are we going after this?
Mercury.
What's in Mercury?
That's the test site, you know, where they used to
Right.
do the detonate nukes.
Cool.
Oh, look at me, man.
I know, I wish I would have moved my arm.
It's just neat.
I got good shots, man.
They got burgers? Yeah, they got burgers. They got an alien burger.
They do?
Yeah. Alien burger. Double burger.
Oh, that's too big.
It's
imported from Mars.
Yeah. How is the hot open space? That ain't good?
Really good, actually.
Patty melt.
Oh, you guys got to go the honest girl.
Patty melt, please.
So price so far for potato salad.
Price.
All just heading down the boulevard.
Yeah.
What exit you getting on? I'll probably get off the Wrangell.
I'll probably just
Nah.
keep on going I-15 and yeah, I'll probably take Spaghetti Bowl.
I'll probably get off Craig.
Well, actually, I could take 215. Right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know any of the roads.
Yeah. Is there a way to get on 215 from 95? Or do you have to get off somewhere?
Have to get up at Durango. Do you want to go?
Yeah, beat all that traffic.
I forget which way you got to go though. You gotta go east or west on a 215.
215 west.
If you get off at Durango, you go about 2 miles, pick up the 215 right there.
I'm sure there's a sign, right?
No, there's no signs.
Oh.
No signs.
It'll loosen up as we go.
Yeah, 215 would be safer.
Put some Velcro on your forehead.
That's what he's... No, what I need to do is get those rags, have the Velcro, tape it to the rag, and then have the other part taped to the helmet, so I just have the two ribbons peeling.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off at Durango, trying to find 215.
I'm gonna get off, I don't know where.
I'm just gonna ride.
Alright, so we basically head back. No, I hit you right there.
Don't kick me.
Hey, Sue, you know where Durango is?
Yeah, that's where we got off.
Right. Just take a right. And just keep going straight ahead, then you'll hit 215.
Going that way.
Well, let him
Oh,
follow
yeah,
you.
this way.
Let him follow you.
The south.
Hello. Let him follow you.
You gotta go that way anyway, don't you?
All right.
Right.
I'm just gonna turn off somewhere. Shit,
Me too, actually.
I've been gripping.
Have fun?
Alright.
Good fun?
All right.
I'll see you at work tomorrow.
Well, I'll be there with y'all.